What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Burnt Toast. Destiny 2 Soldier sent me this incredibly detailed armor type dude. So down to the waist, getting this amount of detail in a full body would be impossible for me. So we'll go down to the waist. Sorry about that. I don't know if you wanted like legs and stuff, but it's very hard. If I like made him super small, I wouldn't be able to get like much of his armor in at all. So his mask, so it's got like a sort of a V right down the bottom. So starting sort of here. Okay, and this goes this way. It gets real wide. Okay, and curves around then. I think his head is slightly turned, so this, we might be a bit wider on this side. A little bit that sticks out here, I think. This is the general shape now. Goes in. And then it goes around the top. Kind of looks like a bell or something, you know. And then inside this, so we've got like a visor area. So there's like front of the helmet now. So that's like the top of it, and then it goes down. Okay. And this will have sort of like some edge lines and things, just to make them look like they're three-dimensional. So there's like a cool white line thing in here, but it's kind of drawn in. Like it's sketched in lightly just so we kind of know where it is, but it's done mostly with color. You know, it's not done with black line, so it's sort of like this. So I'll just like straight down there. Now this would be white, really. Kind of disappears up off the back there. It might be dots even, it might not be lines, I'm not too sure what way it goes, to be honest. But I think that's it. Okay, so this helmet then has some details on top of it too. So there's like a V, like another armor plate here. Looks like there's like an interior. some like vents or fins or something coming down there. And then just like a detail here, I'm not sure. Here, and then there's like a circle, shadow in it there. I think a similar thing on this side. Okay. So I think we got then some details on the helmet, kind of different sort of bits of armor and stuff. Looks like here as well. And then there's a piece of kind of jaw or something sticking off. Well, it looks like his jaw going in there. Okay. Bad, not bad. Right. There's another thing actually. This should stick out maybe a bit more here. I'm not entirely sure, but I think there is. Very blurry. Right, so neck kind of comes down. We can see a little bit of it anyway. Coming down here. And then there's these two vents either side of the head and some chest armor. So the chest is like here. And then there's like a reactor, you know, like sort of Iron Man. Kind of in there. Then another circle. Stuff coming out either side. Looks like a nuclear radiation symbol kind of thing. And another one going this way. Like so. So we'll get probably do the general shapes of the armor. Then we'll try and detail it up then. So top chest plate comes out this way, down. This is really wide, so it like comes this way. The other side. Not as wide, maybe. Kind of bumping out here. A little thing sticking out here, I'm not sure what it is. But this comes around. Right, so this is the main shape for the chest. And there's a bit that dips down in the middle. Kind of looks like lungs or something, you know. And then his waist is real narrow. down here, so can just stop it at the belt. If you want to do legs or anything, feel free to keep going. I get like the other shapes. So he's got these tubes on his shoulder. Kind of reminds me of alien xenomorph sort of thing. I'm going that way. The other one slightly different, sort of goes behind the helmet. Comes out like here. So it's in like a different position than the other one. And we finish the sort of neck area. Right, then we got shoulder, so it comes down here, and then there's a big shoulder pad. So going steps up a couple of times, there's all these sort of boxes on them. Down there. This is a big shoulder pad now. That way, and his arm just kind of goes down. And we meet a forearm plate just there. And then we'll attempt to do something similar over here. His body's slightly turned a different way on this side, so. And then his arm down there. This arm, oh yeah, and the inside of his arm. Like that. So, armor detail now. Okay. Real elaborate sort of armor. So let's say, start in the middle, work our way out. So we got this here. Okay, and then these sort of lungs. I'm calling them lungs, but like there, and then there's these little like wavy bits in them. And then lots of different lines that twist and turn inside. Where does that go? So that should be this, and then there. And then there's like a circle with a circle inside. And then and underneath of this. There. So there's no sort of easy way of doing this. I'm just sort of trying to detail it up as much as I can. It's like another strap or something here. It's like this thing. And then another sort of detail, edge lines and things. Boxes and holes and things. We will attempt to do this over this side. Just sort of copying the other side, really. bottom of it. There's like a curved part. Where's it on this side actually? Maybe that's it. Okay, so this. It's sort of just a number 2 here. Some red squares. Okay, and then arm details. So there's like vents. Inside this. And then we got some lines inside here as well. Not entirely clear what way that is now. It's really dark. And then the armor. And then like a piece of armor here. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but hit that pause button. So there's like some print there, but I'm not sure what it is. I think there's a circle there. And then I'll attempt to do something similar over this side. So like lots of straps, and this looks like fabric, but I'm not sure. Like a foldy sort of fabric thing. Down that way. Edge. And this forearm armor. Textures and scratches and stuff on the metal. But Destiny Soldier, requested by Burnt Toast. Incredibly detailed. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.